What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Spell token, which has not been performing too well, as you guys can see, over the last approximately 10 days, more or less hitting red candles, dropping down in value. So we're going to be going through what is next for Spell token. Is it likely to recover and pump back up in value? Is it likely to keep dropping, or is it likely to fluctuate at around its current price range? So covering both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at what is the best option right now, and also covering its prediction over the short term and the long term in 2024. What can we expect from Spell token, and is it a crypto worth investing into as well? And as you guys can see, the crypto market, yes, it is green at the moment. However, overall it is still on the red side, with Bitcoin dropping down to around $66,000, which is not looking too great. However, is the market going through a correction, and is it likely to recover? We'll also be covering later at that in the video. But before I go any further guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, and as you guys can see, we have literally dropped from the top tier level here about just under 2 weeks ago, all the way down to the green zone right now, and getting closer down to the red zone, which I'm not expecting it to hit. However, the way that Spell token has been performing, we may see it drop down into the red zone over the coming weeks, potentially towards the end of June, but we'll get into that very shortly. So for now, I'm just going to hide this and bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Spell token, which is here in purple. The crypto is actually trading at a slightly lower value here in red, meaning it is not performing too well and lower than expected, mainly due to the major drop that's been taking place over the last week. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we are looking a little bit skeptical. We do have the blue line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line is looking slightly bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So what we have here is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. So according to the graph, an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from a Spell token over the next 12 to 14 hours. However, I am expecting it to hit more red candlesticks, dropping at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment, is what my expectations are. However, I'm not expecting a major drop or a crash or anything like that. It is likely to be a minimal drop in value. Again, we are likely to see green candles as well as red candles, but again, the red candles are likely to overtake the green candles, resulting in an overall drop in value. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, now we're looking a little bit bullish. We've got both the blue and the orange line heading upwards towards the bullish direction, meaning over the next 7 to 8 days, so towards the end of next week, I'm expecting Spell token to be trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment. Don't get me wrong, it is likely to drop down further, potentially over the next few days, before it slowly starts to recover, hitting more green candles by early to mid next week and the end of next week, making it pump back up in value, trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment, is where I'm expecting Spell token to be trading at by the end of next week. Even though it is likely to be volatile, what matters is the overall outcome, which at this point does seem to be more on the positive side. And again, if you guys want regular or daily updates on Spell token, make sure to let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to do that for you guys. And again, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. Zooming on to the daily chart over the next few weeks, what can we see here? We are not looking too great. We do have the blue and the orange line heading towards the negative direction, looking quite bearish. However, we can see that they are slightly a little bit too steep, meaning it is not as realistic as it seems. Reason the graph is expecting an overall drop in value is because of the drop that's been taking place here over the last 10 days. The graph thinks it's going to keep dropping in that direction. However, from the analysis and predictions I have done over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so early to mid August, I'm expecting Spell token to be trading at a much higher value and much higher value than where it is at the moment, and also hitting more green candles at a slow and steady pace. So essentially, potentially guys, it should be able to head over the 0.0018 cents target is where I'm expecting Spell token to be heading up to by mid August. But again, do expect red candles in between as well as green. Do expect dips as well, as that is part of the process, but again, the overall outcome does seem to be more on the positive side. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So as you guys can see, the crypto is trading in the green zone. Yes, I'm expecting it to just about drop into the red zone, hitting the resistance level here and then bouncing back up into the green zone and heading into the dark green zone is where I'm expecting Spell token to be heading up to, potentially guys by the end of June, early July, and heading into the blue and top tier level here in late July and August is where I'm expecting Spell token to be trading at. Any changes, any news that come across that can have a potential impact on its value, I will make sure to let you guys know as soon as possible. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up just about 0.5% in the last 24 hours. Over the week, a major 16% down, guys, major drops here. And over the month, it is still up 1%. However, we can clearly see, guys, it is popping in value, and since about, let's have a look here, 3rd of June, which was 2 weeks ago, just under 2 weeks, the crypto has been dropping like crazy and is still ongoing, which is not a good sign. However, I'm expecting it to slowly recover and bounce back up in value. And we can see the trading volume has also dropped by 6% in the last 24 hours, making it $7.3 billion in trading. Reason it's dropped is because there hasn't been much movements value wise, so majority of the people are just holding on to it, waiting for it to either pump or drop in value so they can start to trade the crypto. So let me know in the comment section down below, how high or how low are you guys expecting Spell token to go in 2024? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.